Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take your QuickBooks skills to the next level, this is for you. Today, we'll cover advanced tips to help you streamline financial management and save time. Let's dive in. 1. Customize your dashboard. QuickBooks lets you customize your dashboard with widgets for profit and loss, balance sheets, and accounts receivable, giving you quick access to key financial data. 2. Use projects for job costing. The Projects feature helps track income and expenses for specific jobs, perfect for contractors and freelancers managing multiple projects. 3. Automate recurring transactions. Set up recurring invoices and bills to streamline payments and maintain cash flow without the hassle of manual entry. 4. Use classes and locations. Categorize income and expenses by department, region, or project for more detailed financial tracking and reporting. 5. Sync bank accounts for real-time updates. Enable bank feeds to automatically import transactions, making reconciliation faster and reducing manual data entry errors. 6. Advanced inventory management. Track stock levels, set reorder alerts, and calculate the cost of goods sold in real time, essential for inventory-based businesses. 7. Generate custom reports. QuickBooks lets you create customized financial reports for deeper insights, helping you make informed business decisions. 8. Integrate with other business apps. Connect QuickBooks with payment processors, CRM systems, and project management tools for a seamless workflow. 9. Track payroll and employee hours. QuickBooks Payroll automates calculations, tax filings, and paycheck processing, saving time and ensuring accuracy. 10. Use the accountant's copy for collaboration. Work with your accountant simultaneously without overwriting each other's changes, making tax season stress-free. Mastering these QuickBooks features will help you manage finances efficiently and grow your business. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.